Hi, I'm Lillian with Salon of Scottsdale, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'm here to show you how to properly apply the waving lotion to your hair for a successful home perm. Most people will think the wrapping of the rods is the most difficult part to do. In most cases it is. Now we're going to apply the solution. You might want to get an extra towel and throw it over your shoulders. Not necessary. A lot of people say it's very wet and drippy, so I will do that. You get the bottle that says waving lotion, and what you do, you might want to shake it a little bit, and you're going to get a pair of scissors and snip the top off, and it makes a little hole on the top, just enough to saturate each rod and distribute it evenly. So what you're going to want to do, and this is what I do, I start with the area that I started rolling the hair. And so you just go across the rod, each rod, applying the solution evenly on each rod. I usually will do all the back first and go across same way all the way down, and I usually leave the front for last in case there is dripping that seeps through the cotton, so that it won't get in your eyes. I kind of just usually leave that for last. Just make sure you kind of just know how much to put on each one so there could be enough solution for the entire head. Next, we're going to get the plastic bag that came in your kit, and we will open it after we've put all the solution, and you will just put it over your head like this, make a little twist, and fasten it with one of the clips.